Here are 5 recommendations that will help you stop snoring. Change your sleeping position. The position you sleep in can have a significant impact on whether or not you snore. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat, obstructing your airway and causing snoring. Avoid alcohol and sedatives. Alcohol and sedatives relax your muscles, including those in your throat, which can cause snoring. If you snore regularly, try avoiding alcohol and sedatives before bed. Treat allergies and congestion. Allergies and congestion can cause inflammation in your airway, making it harder to breathe and increasing your risk of snoring. Practice good sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene involves establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating